Flood simulation in Image Media Center software. Due to the severe floods caused by the heavy rains, lots of houses were fully destroyed and thousands of people were left homeless in Nigeria. Disaster caused a significant livestock loss. Refugees were temporarily located in the schools and public buildings. Flood simulating in IMC software is fully automated. The flood simulation algorithm begins with data preliminary processing, which contains following steps: input and output directory selection, cropping digital elevation model, population density map, and vector map of the area by the borders of the area of interest. As a digital elevation model, a freely available SRTM data with 30 meters resolution is used. Raster image, in gradations of gray, where pixel brightness corresponds to the elevation of the terrain at that location. Linear vector layer of the river, the blue line. 2 red vector dots with attribute information, gauging stations. To execute the flood simulation algorithm, following input data is required. Raster digital elevation model. Linear vector layer of the river, vector points layer with gauging stations, which contain attribute information about anticipated water level increase. Minimum 2 gauging stations points are required on the both ends of simulation area. Operator should also set maximum distance from the river. As a result of the processing, a vector layer of flood is generated. Operator can verify the result and compare it to the satellite image using Blind tool. The vector layer of flooded area is intersected with the vector layers of road network, inhabited localities, and buildings to detect which objects were affected by flood. Each vector object contains attribute information. The vector layer of flooded area is superimposed on the digital elevation model. Results are collated with the map of population density for more detailed evaluation of the damage caused by flood. The location of area of interest can be visualized on the world map. As a result of the simulation, the report is generated in an automated mode. Report can be saved in PDF and JPEG file formats. Based on the statistical data obtained as a result of flood simulation, text report in doc file format is generated. The result of flood simulation contains following data: resulting report that consists of vector layers of flooded areas for different water level increase, vector layers of infrastructure facilities superimposed on the satellite image, legend, number and length of flooded roads, number and area of flooded buildings, number of affected points of interest, position of the image on the world map, elevation map and population density map with vector layers of flooded areas. Resulting text report is generated in an automated mode. Flooded areas characteristics: the list of the inhabited localities affected by flood, the list of the inhabited localities that may require population evacuation, manpower and equipment required to carry out rescue operations, restoration works, meteorological data. Image Media Center software suite is developed by Russian company Innovative Center.